All right, so I'm going to go through some of the 22 ammo I want to compare. These right here is 32 grain, no, 36 grain hollow points. They call these the golden bullets. The bullet look kind of gold. You can see the little hollow point in there. And those is gold. It's the Cascade 1500 feet per second. Let me see what these ones said. These say 1280 feet per second. These right here supposed to be super fast. Sometimes I get some issues with these certain guns. And if you shoot these suppressed, you get a lot of gas blowback. Well, with that suppressed, what a couple of suppressors I use. So these is not no hollow points or nothing like that. But I believe that's the fastest, but it might be something faster. I think I got. So right here is Federal Champion 40 grain. Did I say what these was? I think these is a little lighter. Yeah, these 34 grain. So the Champions is 40 grain Federal. And that's what you normally always see, the lead rounds. And that'd be soft too. These rounds is cool, but they be real soft. Like if you get a bulk pack of these, sometimes the fronts be a little smashed and stuff like that. So I like the ones that got something over it. Copper, something. These right here is the CCI Quiet 22 835s. So these right here, these actually run. This is like my favorite subsonic ammo right here. These. Then you got the 45, and those was 45 grain to the CCI. Then you got the 45 grain Federal subsonic. They okay, but they ain't quite as those. And that's what the fronts look like on these. Same as that. Let's see. Then we got these right here, CCI subsonic hollow point, 40 grain, 1050. That's a hollow point. Yeah, that's a hollow point. Yeah, these is hollow points. Got those already, showed those. The standard velocity 22, 1070 feet per second, 40 grain. I believe CCI got the most styles of ammo, and that's what those look like. And I think CCI might be the best because I never had really any issues with CCI. Right here is the Quiet 22, but this one right here is not for semi-automatic guns, for like boat action. 710 feet per second. This thing's so quiet, if it cycled it'd be crazy, but it's super quiet. 40 grain. And that's what those look like. It's real quiet. I'm gonna get a bolt action 22 soon. I want something with a long barrel. So right here is the punch. And I don't think I opened that yet. So we're gonna be comparing punch to I don't even know where they at. Yeah, we're gonna be comparing the punch to the uppercut. So the punch is a 29 grain. Show you what that one look like. Yeah, the punch got something. Let's see if I can focus on there. It's not focusing. The punch got something in the middle, like the VMAX. It's like real soft. Yeah, something soft in the middle on the punch. But this is personal defense ammo. .1070 feet per second, 29 grain. So yeah, we're gonna try those against the uppercut. Then you got the Remington Golden Bullet. That's the same as that, I believe. Yeah, that's the same. So this is a plated round nose. Most of them be plated. Yeah. Yeah, that's the same as that. Just a small pack. Then we got the 970 CCI 45 grain hollow point. Lead nose. Lead round nose. Then we got these right here. 40 grain 1025. That's lead. That's what you see all inside of your feed ramp with that 22. Then we got what inside the guns, we got the stingers. That's what I said. CCI got a whole bunch. CCI stinger 16, 40, 32 grain copper plated hollow point. Let's see. And that's what that look like, copper plated. We got these right here, 14, 35, 40 grain. And that's a copper plated hollow point also. Already did these. Did those already. Did those. The Gym Techs used to be one of my favorites too. They were super quiet. It's like one of some of the first ones I got. 42 grain, 1020 feet per second. I'm trying to see what else we got. And here's the uppercut right here. So I'm pretty sure I got some other ones. I just gotta find them. Because I think 22 might have the most varieties of ammo. Different types. Then I want to say 9mm maybe next. And that's the uppercut. And the uppercut is a jacketed hollow point. So I want to see, you see how it's mashed up like that. Expansion of the round. That's what's supposed to happen. So these two, this is 32 grain, this is 29 grain, 950 feet per second, 1070. This is more so for smaller barrel pistols. So we're gonna see the difference. See if we can whatever we shoot, we're gonna see if we can get it to expand like that. But yeah, they got so many different kinds. I know I got plenty more of them. I didn't pull them all out, but there's so many different styles of 22. But CCI is definitely one of the better ones. Yeah, CCI. Then I would say maybe Federal. Yeah, I would say Federal. But there's so many. But yeah, that's the main thing we're gonna be doing is these two for self-defense. Seeing how those work. And I'm pretty sure these probably gonna be quiet through the suppressor at 970. Wait, no, 950 and 950, because we got these right here at 970 and they quiet. So they can travel pretty far. A lot of people underestimate the 22. range 1.5 miles, so be careful. A lot of them say that. So yeah, I can't wait to try these two out against something. So I got some clay, 10-pound, 20-pound clay ball. We did those a long time ago, so we can see how I open up the clay. And I got some metal, like not super thick metal, so we're gonna do it against metal, some wood. We're gonna compare the differences between the uppercut and that punch.
I see your motivation, I see your movement is in effect, and I fucking love that shit. Let's get it.